For quite some time now, LG OLED smart TV users have been reporting about auto-dimming issues even after numerous software updates. While some have reported the issue with newer models, older ones are not exempt from it either. The TV screen suddenly dims during certain scenes or when the content is mostly black. But before we get to that, if this video ends up helping you in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as it motivates us to continue making such content. The problem is not limited to one specific model either. We have come across reports from users with different series of OLED devices, including TVs and monitors. It's also worth mentioning that the auto-dimming issue may be related to the TV's automatic brightness limiter and automatic picture level settings, which are intended to prevent the screen from being damaged by overly bright images or burn-in. This might also be related to TPC, temporal peak luminance control, and GSR, global scanning ratio, which are used to manage the TV's brightness and dimming. Despite knowing that this is intended to protect the TV from screen burning, some users find it extremely annoying and a distraction from their viewing experience. It appears that disabling TPC and GSR can prevent the TV from automatically dimming. However, you will need to either buy a service remote or download the color control app on Windows to access these settings. Do note that using a service remote may result in voiding your warranty. Hence, it is advisable to weigh the pros and cons before making any changes to the TV settings. We'll update an article about this matter as we get more and more new information. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can find the article link in the description. Also, don't forget to like the video and join us here for more of our content. This was it for today's video. Thank you for watching.